Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to up your tennis game this season, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best tennis rackets that can take your performance to the next level, whether you're a beginner, intermediate player, or a seasoned pro. We've tested dozens of rackets for power, control, feel, and durability to bring you the very best options on the market right now. From lightweight frames for faster swings to tour-level precision sticks, there's something here for every playstyle. All the rackets featured in this video are linked in the description below, so be sure to check those out for current prices and availability. Let's jump right in and find the perfect racket for you. The out of 5, AMASPORT 18K Carbon Cubic Pedel Racket. The Era 1.0 Cubic series features a high-performance diamond shape specifically engineered for advanced players seeking explosive power and pinpoint precision. This aggressive silhouette shifts the racket's sweet spot higher on the face, allowing for more leverage and force during overhead shots and smashes. Designed to optimize energy transfer, the diamond shape enhances offensive play without sacrificing control, making it ideal for competitive athletes who dominate the court with bold, calculated strikes. 4. Babolat Boost Pedels Tennis Racket. The Babolat Boost Pedels Tennis Racket is an excellent choice for both beginners and aspiring professionals looking to enhance their game with reliable performance and comfort. Designed with lightweight materials and a balanced frame, this racket ensures easy handling, improved control, and reduced arm fatigue during long training sessions. Whether you're stepping onto the court for the first time or training under a professional coach, the Boost Pedels offers a solid blend of power and precision. This tennis racket also comes with essential accessories, making it a convenient all-in-one package for players ready to level up their skills with quality gear. 3. Head Professional Tennis Pedel Rackets. Introducing the 2025 new Head Professional Tennis Pedel Rackets, Coelho Series, engineered for peak performance and precision. Crafted with carbon fiber and an advanced EVA memory flex foam core, these rackets deliver exceptional power, control, and vibration absorption. The innovative design enhances responsiveness and comfort, making them ideal for competitive and passionate players. Whether you're dominating the court or refining your technique, the Coelho series offers superior stability, durability, and a dynamic sweet spot for every shot. Take your game to the next level with Head's latest Pedel innovation. 2. Powkiddy Tennis Racket. The Powkiddy Tennis Racket, Pedel racket, is expertly crafted from ultralight carbon fiber material, offering a perfect balance of strength and agility. Designed for players who demand both performance and comfort, this racket features strong elasticity that enhances ball control and power with every swing. Its lightweight construction reduces fatigue, allowing for longer, more intense play sessions without compromising precision. Built with high-quality materials, the Powkiddy racket ensures durability and consistent performance, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and seasoned players. 1/1 IANONI Pedel Racket. The IANONI Pedel racket features a high-performance carbon fiber surface combined with an EVA memory flex foam core, delivering exceptional power and control on the court. Designed for both comfort and precision, this lightweight Pedel tennis racket enhances maneuverability without sacrificing durability or responsiveness. Whether you're a seasoned player or just getting started, the IANONI racket offers a balanced feel, reduced vibration, and a sleek, professional design, making it a reliable choice for competitive and recreational matches alike. Thanks for watching our breakdown of the top 5 best tennis rackets. Whether you're a beginner just getting into the game or an experienced player looking to level up your performance, there's a racket on this list for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gear reviews, tips, and tennis content. You can find links to all the rackets mentioned in today's video right in the description below, including up-to-date prices and where to buy them. Let us know in the comments which racket you're swinging with, or if there's one you think should have made the list. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the court.